Okay, here we are in Yosemite National Park, and I'm on my bike, as you can see, look it down there. It's my bike, and I'm riding, and right behind me, you might see the whatchamacallit, the waterfalls, and you can see that the snow's melting, slowly melting. And we're going to just go around here and see what we can see, because it's really cool. Here we go. And I'm not going to try to fall. Look at this. And there's a couple of skiers out there too. You can see them in Yellowstone, not Yellowstone, Yosemite. There you go. And yes, there's a river over there.